The anatomy niche is a niche you should consider as a new YouTuber. Before we dive straight into the class, I will tell you three major reasons why this niche is important, and I will also show you the step-by-step guide on how to create your own videos and also how to start up this particular niche if you are new to YouTube. Meeting me for the first time, hi, I'm your YouTube big sister, and all I do on this channel is to teach you everything you need to know about AI content creation and YouTube automation. So do well to like this video and also subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you do not miss out whenever a new video is being dropped. So guys, without further ado, let's dive in straight into the class. Here are three reasons why the anatomy niche is very important and why you should consider it if you want to start your YouTube automation journey. First, the anatomy niche has a very high RPM. Yes, RPM means revenue per mile. For instance, a person in the anatomy niche earns way higher than a person in AI storytelling niche. This is because the anatomy niche gives real value and solves real life problems. So people are really interested in knowing what happens inside their body. Yes, so when you use visuals to explain it, when you use visuals to make it look simple, people are glued to your channel. People will be attracted to your channel. People will spend hours going through your channel and learning new things because not only are you entertaining them, you are also educating them about their bodies. The second reason is that it is evergreen. By evergreen, I mean it doesn't fade. It is not like trends that expire after a given period of time. Yes, if you create a video on anatomy niche, it stays, it's evergreen, it stays because this is more like you are giving out lesson, you are giving out value about the human body. So it is evergreen as long as humans exist and as long as you have not deleted your channel, that particular channel, those videos you made will still generate revenue for you. So it is not like trends that fades. The anatomy niche is evergreen and it should be one of the niches you should consider if you want to start out your YouTube automation journey. The third reason is that it attracts foreign audience. Yes, viewers from countries like USA, UK, and Canada are naturally attracted and interested in this niche because it is curious driven. And I know that the more views you get from them, like these first world countries, the more money you earn. I know that if you get foreign audience watch your videos, or maybe if you have viewers from the first world countries, you will earn more on YouTube. So that's how the system works, and this particular niche is one of the niches that naturally attracts them. So when you venture into this niche, there is a very high chance of your earning higher than other people that are in other niches. I hope I'm communicating. So guys, having x-rayed and exposed the importance of this niche, let's then dive in straight into the class. So guys, the first step is to generate our scripts. Yes, we need a prompt for us to do that. And already I have my prompt, which is a very long one. So for the purpose of tutorial, we are going to be making use of ChatGPT to generate our scripts. And please, this prompt to be dropped on a Telegram community. If you have not joined that community, you are missing out. This is where you can access all my prompts from A to Z. So this is the prompt I'll paste and allow ChatGPT do the magic for me. So if you want to access it, click on the link in the description box and you access this prompt, all of it. So I'll just click here and allow ChatGPT do the magic. So I told ChatGPT that you are an expert AI visual prompt engineer who creates cinematic medical style, blah blah blah. I can't read it out. This prompt is long, right? Okay. For instance, I want to talk about ginger. What does ginger do to the body, right? So let me please enter the name of the food and drink. I will say ginger. Then we now click and allow it to generate our script for us. And believe me, guys, this prompt is power. This is power. So it is still generating. Let's allow it to generate our prompt for us. So guys, as you can see, it gave us the image prompts, just the way we prompted it. It also gave us the side effects, right? The prompts for the side effects of ginger. It also gave us the cinematic video prompt, that is our motion prompt, right? So this prompt is very, very good. Having gotten our prompts, the next step is to generate our images, right? Yes, and for the purpose of this tutorial, I am going to make use of ChatGPT and Google Gemini to generate the images. This is to show you that you are not limited, right? There are different apps you can use. Feel free to use Leonardo AI, feel free to use Flow AI, feel free to use any video generator, any image generator of your choice, right? So I'm going to make use of ChatGPT to generate the first two images. Then I'll use Google Gemini to generate the remaining three. So what I'm going to do is to copy this particular prompt, then go over to ChatGPT and click on it, and now put here generate sorry generate and then I'll be like, make it 16 by 9, because this is for YouTube, right? Then we now click on this place and allow our image to be generated. So guys, can you see this? This is our image and it followed our prompt, and this is so nice. So to save this image, we have to long press and click on save, and voila, our image will be saved into our device. So to generate the second image, like I said, I'll be using ChatGPT. I'll just paste this prompt and type generate and then I also want it to be 16 by 9, right? I'll say make it to be 16 by 9, right? Then I'll now click on this plate and allow it generate our second image for us. So guys, here is the second image, right? So we have to long press and save, and for the third image we'll be generating it with Google Gemini. So we just have to scroll up, find the third image prompt, copy it and go back to Google Gemini and generate it. You can access Google Gemini through your Play Store or through your Apple Store, and this is what the icon looks like. So when you open it, it will bring you to this interface. Yeah, so when it brings you to this interface, you click on this place and paste this prompt, and I'll just say generate. So this one, I want it to be 9 by 16, right? I want it to be 9 by 16. That is TikTok size. I want to use this particular one for TikTok video, right? So let's see what Google Gemini would generate for us. So it's still generating. You have to exercise a little patience. So guys, can you see the image Google Gemini gave us? This is so beautiful, honestly. So to save this, I'll have to long press and click on save, and that is it. So this is how I'll continue copying and pasting until all my images have been generated and downloaded. Then we move over to the next stage. So guys, for the next step, I asked ChatGPT to give me a well-detailed script for my voiceover. I also told it not to sound robotic. It should make use of simpler words, to sound human and engaging. This is the key and the secret of getting the right prompt. So with this, I'll just click on this place and allow ChatGPT generate my script for me. So having generated the script, we need to generate our voiceover, right? And the app we'll be using, the website we'll be using to generate our voiceover is called Google AI Studio. If you have been following me for a while, you will notice that I have been using this particular website for voiceover. If you don't have the money for 11 labs or any tool that is being paid for, you can use Google AI Studio for your voiceover. So when you come to your Chrome browser, you type Google AI Studio, and when you tap on it, you come to this place they say generate speech. You click on it, and when you click on it, it will take you to an interface where you can access this particular app. And when it brings you to this place, make sure you choose the add voiceover. You tap on the add voiceover and you will now see this interface. You can choose any voice you want For instance, when you come over to this place, there are different voices. We have both the male voice, the female voice, the high pitched voice, the low pitched voice, the middle voice, any one of your choice. Basically, I love using male voice because male voice sounds more appealing, right? So I'll choose Sharon, which is the voice I love using. Then after that, I'll have to remove this particular script that is here. Then I'll paste the one I copied from Chat GPT into this particular box. Then I'll head over to Chat GPT, copy that prompt, copy the script it gave me. I'll copy everything and I'll go over to Google AI Studio and paste it into this box, right? Then this particular place, I would like my voice to sound reflective, right? Reflective. I'll be like, sound, okay, read aloud in a warm and reflective tone, and this is it. Then I will now click on run CTRL and our voice will start generating. Our voiceover is ready. Let me play it.
Every single thing you drink goes on a journey inside your body. The moment ginger enters your mouth, your body immediately begins to react. As the liquid moves down into the stomach, powerful natural compounds begin to wake up the digestive system, helping the body break down food more smoothly while calming irritation deep inside the gut. But the real magic happens after digestion. Inside the intestines, tiny nutrients from ginger are absorbed into the bloodstream, traveling through the body like fuel. The brain begins to light up with activity. Neurons fire faster, focus becomes sharper, mental energy increases. Your muscles receive oxygen and nutrients more efficiently, helping the body feel stronger, lighter, and more active.
Can you see that? Yes. So for you to download this, you just click on this download button and voila, it will be downloaded into your device. So guys, having gotten our images and our voiceover, the next step is to animate our images. In other words, to add motion to it, right? So the app we'll be using to do that, the AI app we'll be using to add motion to our images is called Hello AI. Feel free to use any video generator of your choice, right? So to access that, you have to go over to our Chrome browser and we will type in Hello AI. So when you get there, you tap on this first place and it will take you to this interface. Yeah, so feel free to sign up with your Google account or your email account, and we have to import the image that we generated from ChatGPT, and we now have to copy that motion prompt and paste it. So we first start with the first image. So here is the first image, right? Then we have to head over to ChatGPT, copy the motion prompt it gave us, and paste it over there. So this is the first motion prompt. I'll copy it and go over to Hello AI and paste my prompt, right? And I'll now click on create and let's see what Hello AI would give us. Normally it doesn't take time to generate videos, so let's see what it would give us. So guys, the video is ready. Let me play it so you guys can see. So to download it, we have to click on this icon here and download with watermark, because when we get use of the free version, right, we download with the watermark and voila, it will be downloaded into our device. So this is how we will continue until all our images have been animated and downloaded into our device. Then we will head over to the next step. So guys, having gotten our voiceover and our videos, the next step is to edit everything together. So we are going to use InShot for this editing, right? We are going to import the videos and the voiceover, merge everything together and edit our video. We have to change the aspect ratio to 16:9. Remember, this is for YouTube, right? change aspect ratio to 16:9 for all of them, and we now have to import our audio, right? We have to import that audio we downloaded from Google AI Studio.
Every single thing you drink goes.
This is it, right? Then we now have to remove this watermark here, this Hello AI watermark. I always tell you to make sure you remove watermarks in every video so that I don't receive strikes from YouTube, right? So we now have to add the animations and things that can make our video to come out well. Guys, if you have watched up to this point, do well to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever a new video drops on this channel. And remember that this channel gives you valuable content, so you can't just afford to miss out. So with that, let us play the final video.
Every single thing you drink goes on a journey inside your body. The moment ginger enters your mouth, your body immediately begins to react. As the liquid moves down into the stomach, powerful natural compounds begin to wake up the digestive system, helping the body break down food more smoothly while calming irritation deep inside the gut. But the real magic happens after digestion. Inside the intestines, tiny nutrients from ginger are absorbed into the bloodstream, traveling through the body like fuel. The brain begins to light up with activity. Neurons fire faster, focus becomes sharper, mental energy increases.
So guys, can you see that? So this is how you can create your own videos just by following the tutorial step by step. So with that, we've come to the end of this tutorial. Like I said earlier on, don't forget to like. This is the only way you can support this channel. This is the only way you can say thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and do well to share this video because many people are actually looking for how they can do this particular thing or how they can go into this niche. This particular tutorial will give them an insight of what they are to do and what they are not expected to do. Also, I'm available for coaching and one-on-one collaboration. Do well to reach out to me through the email showing in my description box, and the prompts I used in this video will be dropped in the Telegram community. If you have not joined that community, do well to click on the link in the description box so you can join that community and access all the prompts I used. And until I come your way next time, stay safe and bye.